Hi everyone, it's me Teacher J and welcome to another episode of Learning. Before we discuss this topic, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe for you to be notified sa mga susunod na video lessons na i-upload ko. So let's get started. Our topic for today is all about area of a composite figures. What is this composite figures? A composite figures or shape is a two-dimensional figure made up of two basic two-dimensional shapes such as triangles, rectangles, circles, semicircles, and etc. So, look at these illustrations. This illustration consists of rectangle and a triangle, or this composite figure consists two basic figures, that is a rectangle and a triangle. Let's have the first or second figure or illustration. This illustration consists of two basic figures, that is a rectangle and a square. So these are the examples of composite figures. How to find the area of a composite figure? To find the area of a composite figure is calculated by dividing the composite figure into basic figures, and then using the relevant area, or that is a formula, for each basic figure. So let's have this first example. Find the area of a composite figure. So look at this figure. This side is 14 centimeters. This side is 22 centimeters. And this side is 12 centimeters. This composite figure consists of a rectangle and a triangle. Right? So, if this side is 14, this side also is a 14. And this side is 12, this is also 12 centimeters. So, the dimensions of our rectangle are 14 by 12 centimeters. Triangle naman, kung ito ay 22 centimeters, ito ay 14 naman. So, ima-minus natin yan, 22 minus 14, para makuha natin yung side na ito. So, that is 8 centimeters. Again, para makuha yung side na ito, ima-minus lang natin yung 22 minus 14, that is 8 centimeters. So, unahin natin yung kunin ang area ng ating rectangle. The formula in getting the area of a rectangle is A is equal to length times width. So, focus tayo dun sa rectangle. Ang length natin ay 14. Ang width natin ay 12. So, 14 times 12. 14 times 12, that is 168. So, the area of a rectangle is equal to 168 square centimeters. Huwag yung kakalimutan na lagyan ng square yung ating unit. Next na kukunin natin ay yung area ng triangle. The formula in getting the area of a triangle, A is equal to 1/2 of base times height, or base times height divided by 2. So, ang base natin dito sa triangle na ito ay yung 8, and then the height is 12. So, we have 8 times 12 divided by 2. And that is equal to 48. Again, 8 times 12 divided by 2, that is 48. So, the area of a triangle is 48 square centimeters. Again, wag niyong kakalimutan lagyan ng square. Okay, ngayon, ang tinatanong dito is you are going to find the area of a composite figure. So, hanapin natin yung area ng figure na ito. So, ibig sabihin, we are going to add the area of a rectangle and the area of a triangle. So, since ang area ng rectangle is 168 square centimeters, tapos yung area ng triangle, that is 48 square centimeters. So, i-add natin yan para makuha natin yung buong area ng ating figure, that is 208 216 square centimeters. So the area of a composite figure is 216 square centimeters. Let's have example number 2. Find the area of a shaded in red region. So, ito po yun. This composite figure consists of two basic figures. That is a rectangle and a square. So, gagawin muna natin is kunin muna natin yung area ng rectangle. Tapos, after that, kunin din natin yung area ng ating square. So, ang dimensions ng ating rectangle is 30 or 30 by 20 feet. So, the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. Ang length natin ay 30, ang width natin ay 20. So, we have 30 times 20 feet. So, 30 times 20, that is 600. So, the area of a rectangle is 600 square feet. Next naman, nakukunin natin yung area ng ating square na nasa loob ng rectangle. The area of a square is equal to S times S, or A is equal to S squared. Ang S natin dito ay yun yung 11 feet. So kapag square ang pinag-uusapan, all sides are congruent. All sides are equal. So kapag 11 yan, 11 din po ito. Okay? So, dalawang sides lang ang kukunin natin. So, A is equal to 11 feet times 11 feet. 11 times 11, that is 121. So, the area, yung ating square, ay 121 square feet. Pero ang tinatanong dito sa example number 2, ay kunin natin yung area ng shaded in red region. So, ang area na lang na kukunin natin yung naka-shade ng red. Ibig sabihin, yung area ng rectangle, ima-minus natin sa area ng square. So, area of a rectangle is 600 square feet minus the area of a square, that is 121 square feet. So, kapag minus natin yan, 600 minus 121, that is 479 square feet. So, the area or the total area of shaded in red region is 479 square feet. Let's have example number 3. Manny painted a four-sided figure inside a circle whose radius measures 30 centimeters. Each side of the four-sided figure he painted measures 13 centimeters. What is the figure that Manny painted? What is the area of the circle that is not painted? So, ito yung ating four-sided figure na nasa loob ng ating circle. Ito yung ginawa ni Manny na nag-paint siya ng four-sided figure. And then, yung sabi niya, each side of the four-sided figure is or measures 13 centimeters. So, 13 yung side niyan. So, sabi each side. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng sides niyan ay 13 centimeters. So, ito ay square. Okay? And then, yung radius daw natin ng ating circle, so from the point of the circle or center of the circle to any point of on the circle or yung circumference po ng ating circle ay 30 daw. 30 yung ating radius. So, ang tinatanong dyan, what is the area of the circle that is not painted? So, ang gagawin muna natin is we are going to find the area of the circle. So, alam natin ang formula in getting the area of the circle is A is equal to pi times r squared. Okay? Or pwede rin siyang pi times r. Okay? So, since ang radius daw natin ay 30, substitute lang natin A is equal to, yung pi natin is equal to, it is equivalent to 3.14 times yung radius natin that is 30, and then squared. So, unahin muna natin i-simplify ito o i-multiply natin. Ibig sabihin yan, 30 times 30. Dalawang beses daw natin i-multiply yung 30. So, 30 times 30, that is 900. Times 3.14. So, 900 times 3.14, that is 2,826. So, yung area ng ating circle ngayon ay 2,826 square centimeters. Next naman, nakunin natin yung area ng square. So, in getting the area of the square, that is A is equal to S times S, or A is equal to S squared. Ang side ng ating square ay 13. So, lahat ng sides niyan ay 13. So, that is A is equal to 13 times 13. 13 times 13, that is 169. So, ang area ng ating square ay 169 square centimeters. Pero ang tinatanong dito, yung area ng circle that is not painted. So, ang gagawin natin, subtract natin yung area ng circle sa area ng square. So, the area of a circle minus area of the square. So, 2,826 minus 169. So, ang sagot dyan is 2,657 square centimeters. So, the area of the circle that is not painted is 2,657 square centimeters. Let's have example number 4. The figure below is composed of a rectangle and a half circle. Find the area of the figure. So, this figure consists of two basic figures. That is a rectangle and a semicircle. Yung sinasabi niyang half circle, yun yung semicircle. So, ang hanapin natin dyan, yung area ng composite figure. So, una natin gagawin is to find the measurement of this. Kung ito ay 9, tapos 2 po ito at saka 3, kulang na lang dito para maging 9 ay 4. So, yung segment na ito ay 4 centimeters at yun yung diameter ng ating circle. Okay? So, ang una natin gagawin dyan is kunin natin yung area ng rectangle. So, the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. Ang length natin dito sa rectangle na ito ay yun yung 9. And then, yung width natin, that is 2. So, 9 times 2, that is 18 square centimeters. So, the area of a rectangle is 18 square centimeters. Next naman, nakukunin natin yung area ng ating half circle at yun yung tinatawag natin na semicircle. Sa pagkuha ng area ng circle ay pi r squared. A is equal to pi r squared. Pero dito kalahati lang. So, ibig sabihin, A is equal to pi r squared divided by 2. Kasi kalahati lang. So, ang radius natin, kung ito ay 4, yung ating diameter, di ba ang diameter po? Pag hinati natin yun, yun yung ating radius. So, kapag hinati natin yan, yung ating diameter, so, ibig sabihin, 2 ito, 2 din ito. So, yung radius natin ay 2. So, substitute natin, A is equal to, yung pi ay 3.14. Yung ating radius ay 4, ay 2, and then square. All over 2. Then, simplify muna natin ito. A is equal to 3.14 times square ng 2, or multiply natin ng dalawang beses yung 2 dito. 2 times 2, that is 4, divided by 2. Then, ang gagawin natin, multiply natin yung 4 times 3.14. That is 12.56 all over 2. And then, 12.56 divided by 2, that is 6.28. So, the area of a semicircle is 6.28 square centimeters. So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay yun yung area ng composite figure. So, the area of a rectangle plus the area of a semicircle, that is the area of this composite figure. So, i-add po natin. Ang area ng rectangle is 18 square centimeters plus yung area ng ating semicircle ay 6.28 square centimeters. So, i-add natin yan. That is 24.28 square centimeters. So, the area of a composite figure is 24.28 square centimeters. Let's have an example number 5. Calculate the shaded region. So, ang kukunin natin dyan, yun yung area ng ating triangle. Kaya lang, meron tayong square na nasa loob ng ating triangle. So, kailangan natin ibawas yung area ng ating square dun sa area ng ating triangle. So, etong base ng ating triangle ay 10. And then, yung height ng ating triangle ay 8.7 centimeters. Tapos, yung square po na nasa loob ng ating triangle ay 2. Ang side niyan ay 2. So, lahat ng sides niyan ay 2. So, kunin muna natin yung area ng ating triangle. So, we have A is equal to base times height divided by 2. So, ang base natin dyan, yun yung 10. Ang height natin ay 8.7 divided by 2. So, 10 times 8.7 divided by 2, that is 43.5. So, ang area ng ating triangle ay 43.5 square centimeters. Next naman, nakukunin natin yung area ng ating square. So, ang area ng square ay A is equal to S times S or A is equal to S squared. So, A is equal to 2 times 2. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. So, ang area ng square ay 4 square centimeters. So, ang kukunin natin dito ay yun yung area ng ating triangle. So, ang gagawin natin, yung area ng triangle minus dun sa area ng square. So, 43.5 minus 4, that is 39.5. So, the area of the shaded region is 39.5 square centimeters. So, if you have questions or clarifications, just type lang po yung question nyo sa ating comment section. Keep safe and God bless.